Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Ramya Devi working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding callback functions in AJAX. A callback function in AJAX is a fundamental concept in asynchronous programming, allowing developers to handle responses from server requests efficiently. When you make an AJAX call, you initiate a request to the server without blocking the execution of your code. This means your application can continue to run while waiting for the server's response, enhancing user experience by keeping the interface responsive. The primary role of a callback function is to specify what should happen once the AJAX request completes. When you initiate an AJAX call, you don't immediately know when the server will respond. By using a callback, you provide a function that will be executed once the server has finished the processing the request, whether it succeeds or fails. In typical scenarios, the callback function handles the success case by processing the data written from the server, such as updating the user interface or displaying notifications. It may also handle errors by informing the user or logging the issue for further investigation. This separation of the AJAX request logic from the response handling makes the code more modular and easier to maintain. Additionally, callbacks can improve code readability by defining the behavior in a separate function. You keep your AJAX logic clean and focused. You can pass different callback functions depending on the context, allowing for the reusability of the code. However, using callbacks can lead to callback hell if you nest multiple asynchronous calls, making the code harder to read and maintain. This challenge has led to the adoption of modern JavaScript features like promises and async or wait, which provide more manageable ways to handle asynchronous operations. These approaches allow for cleaner syntax and better error handling, reducing the complexity that comes with deeply nested callbacks. A callback function in AJAX plays a crucial role in managing asynchronous operations. It allows developers to define specific actions to take upon receiving a response from the server, ensuring that applications remain responsive and user friendly. Understanding and effectively using callbacks is essential for building modern web applications that leverage AJAX for dynamic content loading and improved user experiences. And also, callback functions are used to handle responses from the server in AJAX. A callback function can be either a named function or an anonymous function, and it also follows the steps below to create and use the different kinds of callback functions. So here we are writing a callback function as an anonymous function. First, we have to set the value of an event handler called onReadyStateChange equal to the anonymous function. So whenever REQ is the request object, and we have to call the function called onReadyStateChange is equal to 4 and request or status is equal to 200. So whenever the success has been implemented, so it will call your whichever document to be uploaded. Like here we have calling the HTML called my div, which is the HTML element, and we are assigning that my div HTML element to the request.response text from the server. So when you want to create an callback function as a named function instead of an anonymous function, so we can create using an XML HTTP request object in the global scope. Like we have to declare a variable REQ is equal to new XML HTTP request, and also we have to write a function to use as the callback function, like function, and we have to give the function name, and request.readyState is equal to 4 and request.status is equal to 200, and then we'll display the response text. And also we can set the value of an onReadyStateChange property to the name of the function, like req.readyStateChange is equal to my callback. Thank you. So in summary, a callback function in AJAX also plays a crucial role in managing asynchronous operations. It allows developers to define specific actions to take upon receiving a response from the server, so which ensures that applications remain responsive and user friendly. Understanding and effectively using callbacks is essential for building modern web applications that leverage AJAX for dynamic content loading and improved user experiences. Thank you.